Armstrong numbers in a given range. So in our previous video, we have discussed about how to determine whether a number is Armstrong or not. So here we said about the procedure of what an Armstrong is and how to determine the Armstrong. What is the code that we are implementing here and what's going to happen within this code. These things were discussed in our previous video. Now it's time to check how many Armstrong numbers are there in a given range. In the sense, we just check whether a particular number is Armstrong or not, whether 371 is an Armstrong or not, whether 153 is an Armstrong or not, whether a 154 is an Armstrong or not. Like this, we have checked, but here we are finding how many numbers are there. Those are Armstrongs in a given range. For example, 1 to 100, or else 1 to 200, or else 1 to 1000. This is our problem statement. I hope you understand the problem statement. Now, for this, what we are doing is that we are simply utilizing our pre existing logic. If you haven't watched this video, I highly recommend you to go through my channel playlist called Top 100 Python Programming Codes and see about this video and how the logic works. Right. Now, what I'm doing is that we need a range of numbers. And for that, firstly, we need what is the range. So let me uh, do initially some range of number in the sense there will be some low range number and there will be some high range number. Let low range number be 1 and high range number be some 200. Done. So we need this range of numbers. So that what I am doing is that they are utilizing for loop for I in range of low, comma, high plus 1. By using this, we are going to iterate or we are going to generate, but not iterate. Of course, iterate and iterating with generation of numbers in this given range from 100 to 200, right? And after this iteration, we are simply doing whatever the thing here it is. I will do compost of entire this program. I am copying here and pasting over here, and I will do some adjustments over here. Hmm. Sum is moving, for loop is moving 4 times, block is moving. Done. I adjusted the entire code over here. So I got the range of numbers by using for loop, and I'm checking whether that particular iterated I, in the sense iterated number I in this range is Armstrong or not. So that what I'm doing, in place of 154, I will keep I here. Now at every I, this code is going to be implemented, right? Now I won't print the sum of all the digits, all the numbers, and I will check whether the sum is equal to number, and I won't print here. So what I will do means I will make a list of numbers. For that, what I'm doing, my Armstrong, and created an empty list, my Armstrongs initially. And what I will do, if I get any number as Armstrong in this range, then I will append that number into my list. Now, my Armstrong dot append of the number. What we are appending? The number. If this number is Armstrong, then only it will be appended into our list. I hope you understand. If this statement is not satisfied, then what I'm doing is that nothing. I will again iterate to next word. So that job can be done by for loop. No need to do any extra things. So let me check. how many Armstrongs are there in the range of 1 to 200. And I press F5. So, oops, I didn't got any what I didn't printed anything on the console. So I will try to print my Armstrong, my Armstrongs. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 153 is alone in the series of 1 to 200 is an Armstrong. Right. I will check from 1 to 500. Within the range of 1 to 500, 153, 370, 371, and 407 are Armstrongs. Remaining all are not Armstrongs. So this is all about this video. I hope you found this video well and continue to the channel to learn top 100 Python programming codes.